Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new Boston Whaler 210 Montauk that just arrived for a customer of ours. It's so well equipped we had to show it to you. If you guys want to build one like this, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. So this boat is equipped with the Mercury V6 200 in white. This customer did want the ski tow, take his kids out. Aft jump seats that pop up that also expose storage just underneath. Built-in fuel tank. This is the leaning post with live well option. See that back here below? Knife and plier storage there. Rocket launchers on the hard top. Flip bolsters here at the helm. Nice big leaning post with a low console, so it's still easy to see over your passengers in front. We've got a 9-inch Ray Marine Fusion stereo system as well. Glove box with charging ports. We got the new binnacle for Mercury Marine. That's nice to see. VHF radio from Ray Marine as well. This boat does have a head down to the console. We've got the prop and stuff down there at the moment. Forward here, we have the cooler seat under the 65-quart Yeti. That tucks in nicely. And then this customer opted for the bow cushion with forward backrest. I'm 6 foot for reference. Split bow rails, keeps everything nice and controlled. Cup holders right here, port and starboard, for your lounge passengers, and as well as just behind the headrest, we have stereo control as well. Great fishing platform, very huge boat. If you guys want to build a boat just like this, again, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, my name is Dotson Geist with MarineMax in Charleston.